Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to implement the factorial program using Java and by using the recent concept that we have understood of recursion. Yeah, so let's quickly get started. I'll create this Java class and we'll name it as, let's say, factorial, and inside that let's start by creating the main method. Yeah. So oops, public static void main. Here let's try to create this int result is equal to, let's create a function called as calculate factorial. Let's pass the number as, let's say, 5. Let's say we wanted to calculate the factorial of number 5, and here we'll print the result, basically factorial of 5 is equal to, we'll print the result. Okay, now let's try to create a method which will calculate the factorial, which is this. So we can use the features given by the IDE. Now here we need to remember two conditions. One is whenever, if n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1. So in this case the factorial is going to be number 1. That's a rule. Yeah, because the factorial of number 0 and factorial of number 1 is by default 1. But in rest of all the cases we'll have to calculate the factorial, and that would be written n into calculate factorial of n minus 1. This would be our calculation. So basically, as we have seen in our last video, that what is recursion, basically when you calculate, or sorry, when you call a function within the function itself, then it is generally a concept of recursion. And if you have seen, this is how we pass the parameter, that n into n minus 1. Now if you wanted to understand the logic behind, or if you wanted to understand the concept of recursion, then I'm gonna give the link in the description, as well as I'll provide you the link in the I button. Make sure you understand that concept so that you get to know what exactly is happening here. But this would be the program for calculating the factorial, and let me run this now. So as you can see here, it displays the factorial of 5 is equal to 120. Yeah, so this is how we have written a program to basically calculate the factorial of a number by using recursion method using in Java. Okay, I hope you'll find this particular small example of recursion useful. And thanks guys, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.